Hi everyone, Sarah back again today with another layout for Mercy Tiara Kit Clubs using the Sweet Summer Kit this month. I am doing another layout. I'm doing an 8.5 on the... Apparently I really can't talk, and it's not apparent. It's like every time I do a video. So I apologize. I am doing another one for my mom's album that I am making her, the 8.5 by 11. And I'm going through the papers trying to figure out what I'm going to use because I already have the pictures. So I know what I'm doing with those. And I already have an idea here. So I'm just continuing on with it. I'm just going to kind of do these little stripes at the top. Or strips, not stripes. So that one did have stripes. But I'm going to go ahead and do those. So yeah. I guess last week's video didn't have a voiceover. I believe it was last week. And if you can tell, I'm still having some allergy issues. I'm still sniffly and everything. I don't know what is blooming right now, but it is really, really getting me. So I'm going to go ahead and rough these up. I'm going to continue to scrapbook and try to talk to y'all. I'm sorry if the sniffles drive you insane. I can't find my circle cutter. So I'm just using my tape to go ahead and trace around that. I hand cut it out and then cut that piece off the bottom. I'm going to tape it down. And then I'm going to cut another circle, which I'll use an embroidery hoop for that one actually here in just a second. My embroidery hoop is something that you guys have seen before because it's the same bright red one that I've traced previously. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this out by hand too. I am not being precise. I am not being like... It's janky and messed up, and I'm okay with that because all I'm going to do is rough up the edges with my edge distresser anyways, so it's not a big deal to me. I wasn't that worried about it. So I went ahead and did that, and I'm going to tape it down. I love these colors. They're so cute. I love that the tealy color and that light pink together. I didn't use the stickers. I went ahead and did some smaller cuts, just popped out a few more circles with my circle punches there, and I'm going to rough up the edges, and I'm going to just place them here and there on the little layout just to see where I want them. I'm going to move that one around, that's for sure. I just kind of want to stick it underneath the edge of that. I just wanted a little more of the blue at the bottom. Now I'm just going to kind of go through and figure out what I want to do. I was looking at this piece that I'd already cut apart at one point, and so I fussy cut that one out, and I'm going to use it as a layer behind my photos. Let's see. I'm trying to figure out if there's anything else I want to use right now. And I'm going to fussy cut some of these flowers out of this paper to put on my layout. Like I said, I'm going through the ephemera really quick to see if I want to grab anything else. I'm looking at the cute little words. And I am going to use some of these foam words here on the top of my layout. I was trying to decide if I was going to use it or not. I put it to the side so I can go ahead and adhere all this stuff down right now. And I'm going to stick everything down before I stick my title. I'll stick this photo flat, but I am going to pop up the other photo of both of my girls with some 3D foam. And then I'm also going to pop up... Did I pop up that little one already? I'm going to pop up that little circle, and then I'm going to pop another one up down here on the bottom as well. Just a little more dimension. And I have noticed I keep forgetting to flatten down the areas I've already roughed up when I'm sticking something over it, especially like with the foam on it, because it doesn't want to stay down. And it doesn't help that that big circle punch has a hole in the center underneath, so it doesn't really hold it down well. I've got to remember to start flattening the little edges so that it holds better. Anyways, this says wonderful. And I'm going to pull these little ones. I love them. And it's going to say girls. So it's just wonderful girls. Wonderful girls. Words. Issues. Sorry. I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut some of these out for embellishments on my layout. I do always love that about these kits. You always have that option to fussy cut if you don't want to use exactly what there is as embellishments. A lot of those other florals that were in the far end of that little bin that I have all my embellishments in, those were ones I fussy cut out of another piece of paper as well from the kit. So I love the fact that I can do that with these kits. You can always add so much. You can even die cut stuff with your Sizzix and everything like that to add more to your layout. So it's just always something I love the fact that you can do. Let's see. Yep, I'm going to go ahead and glue these down. and almost be done with my layout. I'm going to stick a couple more of the foam stickers down here on the layout. I don't think I use any of the hearts, and that's it. This layout is finished. I really hope that you enjoy it. Make sure to come back and check out my next layout, and check out the links below for the Facebook group and the shop as well, so that you can grab your kit too. And make sure to watch out for next month's kit as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!